All right. Our second section of lesson 7-1 will cover questions 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Now, on the previous slide, you should have seen academic vocabulary that talked about that confirm word. Evidence that confirms a conjecture provides support for the conjecture. Okay, let's take a look at questions 4. 4 says the lines below are parallel. Draw transversal to the parallel lines. Now, remember that transversal is just a line that cuts two or more pairs of lines. Okay, a transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines in different points. Okay, so keep that in mind as you go to cut this. Not everybody's transversal will look the same, which actually leads me to part B. Number your angles above and record the measures of each angle. Not everybody's measures of angles should be exactly the same because not all your lines of your transversals should be cut in the same direction. Question number 5. Do your answers to items 4 confirm the conjectures you made in item 3? Explain or revise your conjectures if need be. So this time I'm going to give you approximately 5 minutes to create your own transversal and measure your angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8 that were formed by the transversal and the parallel lines. And then question number 5 asks you, does your answers from 4 confirm what we wrote down in 3, or do we need to revise what we wrote down in 3? Again, go ahead, 5 minutes time, work on questions 4 and 5. 4 and 5. All right, as you can see, the answers to questions 4 and 5 have partially been provided. Notice that I did not give my angle measures for B for question 4, just because I knew that they weren't all going to come out to the same answers. So I just went ahead and drew my transversal. But what you should have come out to see was that angles, let me see if I can do it this way. I'm going to highlight. We'll highlight in green. If I highlight this one, this one, this one, and this one, 1, 3, 5, and 7 should have all been the same measure, while 2, 4, 6, and 8 should have all been the same measure based on their locations. Okay. Then here in question 5, I said that the measure should have confirmed my conjectures from item number 3, that my corresponding angles, which would have been, in my case, 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, and 4 and 8, all should have been equal to each other. The same side interior angles, in my case, that would have been 3 and 6, and 4 and 5, they're supplementary. They should have added up to 180 degrees. While the alternate interior angles, so 3 and 5 and 4 and 6, should have been congruent to one another. On to your debriefing question.